What's up, everybody? Coyote season 2022, firearm deer season just closed out, so this is usually when I like to pick up and get out and do a little bit of coyote hunting. Try not to hunt on the spots that I'm trying to still deer hunt on for archery season, but out here trying to get it done. I'm pumped. Love coyote hunting. Not sure which I love more, deer hunting or coyote hunting. We're gonna get out, we're gonna do some calling, see what we can bring in. Hopefully first time's a charm here this season, and see what happens. Stay tuned. Well, just finished up the first stand of the season. Came out empty-handed, but we did get some action. A lot of good responses from howls, and just, I bet we had 4 or 5 different packs of coyotes coming from different areas. Did bring one in from about 200 yards, but I was kind of surveying over to the left side, and he came in, snuck up from the right. And by the time I was able to swing around and get positioned up on him, he heard me or saw me. It's just dead quiet here. No wind whatsoever tonight, so I think he heard me and got away. But that's all right. Had some good action. At least we saw one, and we'll get him next time. On the board for Song Dog of the Year. Here's to a good season. Good coat. Big old fluffy ears. Big old fluffy tail. Snow's starting to move in. Get her loaded up in the UTV. Skin her out. Call it a night. Alright, first one on the board for the year. Really good feeling to get that first one out of the way. Got a nice female here. Good sized coat. Really healthy looking. This one never even came to the call. It was kind of cool. It just stayed back and really stalked about. As you saw in the film, there was a rabbit kind of hopping around, minding its own business, and this female comes out here, and you could tell it kind of wanted to go after it, but it didn't really seem too interested until here probably 20 minutes into the hunt it snuck up and got real close to it. Looked like it even took a smack at it, but little rabbit got away and lived to see another day. Unfortunately for this thing here, it did not.